In this video, you'll learn how to integrate Mailchimp with Shopify. By the end of this tutorial, you will be able to connect your Mailchimp account to your Shopify store seamlessly. Start by navigating to the Mailchimp homepage. Open your web browser and enter the URL for Mailchimp. Once the page loads, you should see the Mailchimp dashboard, which features various options for managing your account. Next, locate and click on the integrations option in the menu. This is typically found on the left side of the screen. After clicking, you will be directed to a page that displays available integrations with Mailchimp. After that, type Shopify into the search bar on the integrations page. As you begin to type, suggestions may appear below the search bar. Look for the Shopify integration in the list that populates. Once you find Shopify, click on it. This action will take you to a dedicated page for the Shopify integration, where you can see information about how Mailchimp works with Shopify. You will notice a message indicating that Mailchimp is a marketing platform built for e-commerce. This section highlights the features available for Shopify users, such as personalized email and SMS automations. Next, click on the Get Started button. This button is usually prominently displayed on the Shopify integration. Clicking it will initiate the process of linking your Mailchimp account with Shopify. After that, you will be prompted to click on Open to access the Mailchimp app within Shopify. This action redirects you to the Shopify App Store, where you can further manage the integration. When the app page opens, you will see a welcome message indicating that you are about to connect your accounts. This serves as a confirmation that you are on the right track. Following this, you will see a message prompting you to connect your account. At this stage, click on Login to another account if you are using a different Mailchimp account than the one you may have previously signed in with. During this process, keep in mind your internet speed, as slow connections can delay loading times. Additionally, ensure that you have enough storage available in your Mailchimp account to accommodate any new data generated from Shopify. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next tutorial.